Hi, this video is a quick look at Blockwell smart licenses. A smart license is an Ethereum smart contract that can receive assets as payment and then send it forward to a predetermined list of recipients. A smart license can be used for any kind of payment, whether it's paying for products and services, licensing agreements, or any kind of transfer of assets where different parties should receive their own share. The asset can be either Ethereum or an ERC20 token. There's also a hybrid app, also known as a HAP, for smart licenses at app.blockwell.ai/smart. The HAP is what you're currently seeing on the screen. This HAP lets you view a smart license's recipients as well as use, share, and embed dumb apps for making payments to it. Let's go ahead and create a smart license. There is a link at the top of the page called Create Smart License, which takes you to a dumb app for creating your own. It'll ask you to fill in a few things, so let's go through them. First off, name. The name is just for reference. It will be shown when interacting with the contract. I'll name this one Video License. Then there's a list of recipients. This should be a list of wallets who get a percentage share. I'm going to add one wallet here. You can add more wallets by clicking the plus payment recipients button. Then there's a list of percentages for how much of the payment each recipient should receive. I'll set this to 10% for the one wallet. Note that if you add multiple wallets, you will need to set a percentage for each one of them. For example, like so. Lastly, after the percentage shares have been taken out, you'll need the rest of the payment to go to one more wallet. Typically, this is the wallet that receives the majority of the payment, but either way, it simply receives the portion of the payment that wasn't sent to the list of recipients. I'm going to set that as my wallet. So in my configuration, the wallet beginning with 0xAAF will receive 10% of the payment, and then 0x84D will receive the remaining 90% minus any fees. The fees are currently a total of 2%, so they will receive 88%. Now we can go ahead and accept, and the transaction to create a smart license is sent to the blockchain. It will take a few moments to confirm. It's still thinking. It can vary from just a few seconds to 10, 20 seconds, depending on how the network is currently. But now it confirmed, and then there is a notice at the top that a video license has been deployed and the address for it. And then this contract has a hybrid app and a link to go to it. We'll click that. You'll notice that this link is a little bit long, but if you don't remember, you don't need to remember it, rather. If you click the gear icon here at the top right and My Contracts, it will be listed as the latest one with the address and a link back to the app. Now let's take a quick look at the app itself. On the right, there is the list of recipients we configured, and you can see the 0x84D wallet is receiving the 88% as mentioned earlier. On the left, there are ways to pay into the smart license. You can pay with Ether by clicking the Pay Ether button. I'm going to go ahead and pay 0.1 ETH. It was submitted and it'll confirm in the background. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and open the confirmation. We can go and take a look at the Etherscan page for it. Well, we will be able to once it finishes loading there. We'll take a look at that in a moment. In the meantime, next to the Pay Ether button, there's a link to share or embed for sending the payment method as a link, or you can also embed it on a website. For sharing, you can either use this QR code or a deep link, which will link you directly to the payment dumb app. And lastly, there is the embed code, which you can copy and paste onto a website to show the dumb app there. Let's go back. Now let's see, Rinkeby Etherscan is now done, so we can see here that the 0.01, which is 10%, went to the 0xAAF wallet. 2% went to the fees, and then the remaining 88% went to the 84D wallet. Okay. So lastly, smart contracts can also be paid with tokens, and they will accept any token that's on the same Ethereum network. To get links for paying tokens, find the token contract you want to use using this search box. You can either type in the name of a token and select it, or you can paste in a contract address. This smart license is on the test network, so if we try to use Tether, it will tell you Tether is on the Ethereum main network and the smart license is on Rinkeby. The token must be on the same network. So instead, I'm going to go ahead and get the address for Foodcoin. All Blockwell users get sent Foodcoin when they sign up to play with, so that's a good one to use. So paste the address here, and then we have the same kind of buttons for Pay Foodcoin and Share or Embed. From here, it works exactly the same as the Ether ones. So you can pay directly here, or you can share or embed. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.